Hey guys, so today I have a new tool for you residential electricians, or if you just do residential as side work and you're a commercial electrician. This is a tool from Klein Tools, made specifically for NM cable or Romex. This should help you wire houses a little faster. I like that it's a 5-in-1 tool. It splits the sheath on the outside of Romex. It also strips the wires inside. You can bend loops on it, and you can twist wire nuts. So this thing does all kinds of things. There's the instructions on the back. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this, but I'm going to give you a brief demonstration. I'm going to open this box up and I'll get right back with you. So I've opened up our Romex tool from Klein Tools. Noticed here on the back it's got a magnet, so you can just stick it to something metal. That'll help keep you from losing it. But first things first, it's got a little blade right here in the end. That's for splitting the sheath on the outside of Romex. So we're going to grab this piece of Romex here. We'll get our tool lined up. Okay, so whenever you get your Romex, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hook that blade just under the edge of the sheath. So I'm going to try to show you this. Slide that on there like that. You'll feel it hook, and then all you got to do is push it. Oh, that broke free. Okay. So once you get it hooked under there, all you gotta do is push your wire. This is really hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna shove this up through here. Try it one more time. Oh yeah, there we go. We got it now. So once you get it hooked under there, then all you gotta do is push it, just like this. And it splits it. And it's that easy. Now once you get it split like that, then you can just peel it off just like that. Okay, so there's the first function. It also strips wire. So right here on the end, you have blades that are made for stripping wire. And it's made for number 12 and number 14 solid, or number 14 and number 16 stranded. So what we've got right here, you see the yellow sheath. What we've got here is 12 too. So we'll use the 12 slot, which is the very first one. We'll just push it as far back as we want to strip. So let's say we want to strip right there. We'll just push our wire down in there, right like that. We'll give it a spin. Spin it a couple times. Now all you got to do is pull. So this may take both hands, guys, just a second. Once you pull it off, you have a stripped wire. Right there it is. And there is the rest of the coating that was on the wire. Now, the other function that this does is you can make loops. So right there it says loop. So all you're going to do is you're going to stick your wire in that hole and then bend it over. That's it. So you'll bend it just like that. Boom. You got a perfect loop. I want to show you that. Now you got a perfect loop. All in all, I think this little 5-in-1 Romex tool is going to save me a ton of time. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this as much as I have. There'll be a link in the description. I like how simple but how efficient this seems to work. Also, you can stick your wire nuts in there and twist them. Hey, I've actually got some wire nuts right here, so I'll show you how it fits. And I did not plan this, so I don't know if this particular wire nut will fit or not, but we're going to try it here. We'll stand our tool up just like that and drop our wire nut down in there. Look at there. That thing fits perfect. That thing fits perfect. And it'll fit multiple size wire nuts, so don't you worry, guys, about the size of your wire nuts or whatever. They'll fit in there. So again, Klein Tools bringing us another solution. Really appreciate it. There'll be a link in the description where you can get this. Guys, give me a like and comment. Let me know if you've ever used this or if you think it would save you some time. And definitely smash that like button. That helps get this video out to as many people as possible. And then if you enjoy this type of video or any of the videos that are on our channel, I highly recommend you go check out the rest of our channel and give us a subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. That's the best way to support our channel. So again, I want to thank y'all for watching this video and have a great day.